Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a text overlay effect in iMovie using the green screen feature. Here's a brief preview of what it'll look like. First, I opened up iMovie. It's a free app that comes downloaded on nearly all Mac computers already, and if it's not free, you can get it in the App Store. If it's not downloaded already, you can get it in the App Store. You're going to want to click on New Projects, assuming that you haven't created the video already. Next, you're going to want to import the media you want as your background and drag it into the timeline of the app. Next, you're going to want to open Keynote, which is another free Apple app. You can use any app that allows you to change font and colors, but I personally like Keynote the best. Next, you're going to want to type out the text you want displayed through the video. The bolder the text is, the more video you'll be able to see through it, so I highly recommend choosing a pretty bold and big font. You're going to want to change the text color to anything green or blue. Any shade of green should work. I'm not sure about the blues. After that, you're going to take a screenshot of your new text effect by holding down Shift-Command-4 at the same time and selecting the area. Then you're going to go back onto iMovie and import your screenshot. You're going to drag and drop it on top of the background video. It's very important that it's on top of the video or else the effect won't work. You feel free to play around with the cropping of the video and make sure it's however you want it. Next, you're going to want to select the first icon on the menu and select the drag and drop feature. Then just choose green blue screen and you should be good. You can play around with the sharpness or clean up the effect if you'd like. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please leave a comment below if you need help or if you have a suggestion for another iMovie tutorial. And of course, subscribe for more tutorials.